Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX420 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX420 support. Best result should be from a domain that says canon.com, and it should say Canon support for PIXMA MX420. Open that up, and then on this page, you want to scroll down underneath Downloads and select Software and Drivers. Scrolling down again underneath Software and Driver Results, you want to go underneath My Printer and select the Download button for that. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes. And if you receive any other prompts, just want to agree to them. And then just follow along with the installation guide here about setting up your country, region, as well as the file or folder path you want it installed. And then we are going to opt to create a shortcut on our desktop. And if you were to open that up, you should be able to see additional settings in here. If you have any problems with your printer, you can select Diagnose and Repair Printer, selecting Yes, and then hopefully at this point you should be able to walk through any troubleshooting steps that are necessary to get everything connected, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.